Hi, my name's Jay, and welcome to Slam Academy.
This is Slam Academy. We're a diverse family of working musicians with one important common bond, a deep love for the creative process of making music.
I hate every preset I've ever listened to. I just want to make all my own sounds. You have to have your own sound, otherwise you're not going to stick out.
United by our passion for creating, the Slam family exists to educate and support musicians of any age, any level, and in any genre.
I had been more to creating electronic music. Once I stepped into sound design, I was like, this is electronic music. This is like what I envisioned it being like.
Our community lives on and offline with live stream group classes, as well as in-person programs in Minneapolis. Our instructors meet you where you are and work to accelerate your musical journey to where you want to be.
It was frustrating in college being with all the music majors. You had all these classical musicians and I'm over here making beats, and I come here and I feel like these last 9 months I've learned more, way more for what I need to be doing.
With detailed courses in DJing, music production, recording, sound design, and more, Slam Academy is ready to show you what it takes to be an industry professional.
I was pleasantly surprised with how much I really could take away after only 12 sessions. I finished up and I am walking out with exactly the tools that I need to finish projects.
We want you to become a part of the Slam Academy family.
Hey everyone, and welcome to Drum Programming Masterclass. I'm really excited to make this class. This has been one that a lot of students have asked me to make for a long time after seeing my Ableton classes, my sound design classes, all of my production classes, and even my music theory classes. So in this class, what we're going to do is we're going to start by breaking down the beat and talking about how we put together rhythms on a grid. And then we're going to move into some of the sound palette things that we need to know how to do, like good kicks, cymbals, snares, all that good stuff. And then we're going to start looking at different genres. So we're going to look at house music, we're going to look at some tracks by Daft Punk, we'll look at a few tracks of mine as well in the course, and I'll just show you how they work, and we'll really reconstruct these tracks so that you can learn how to reconstruct them on your own as well. And remember, of course, that this is only the first part of a multi-part class, so we're going to be diving in deep in this course, but there will be a lot more to come. So I hope you decide to join us. Please stick around for the class. It's a lot of fun. Four of these are going to happen in between each clap, right? So I'm going to clap our pulse, and when we get to here, you're going to hear 4 of these pass in between 2 claps. The one that's happening more common, so we're going to hear that as an accent, because low, low, high, low, low, high, low, low, high, low, low, high. So we're going to hear that as accented. That one is coming every 3 16th notes. Right? It's 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 1 E and a, 2 E and a. So that's awkward, right? And that's what syncopation is all about. Zoom in farther and the numbers get weirder, right? There's not, see here, I see 3, 1, 1, 229. Okay? We're going to talk about those numbers in a minute. And Ableton does the same thing. If I scroll in even farther. Okay, so we talked about swing being, moving stuff a little bit off the 16th notes, sometimes the 8th notes, just moving the pattern around just a little bit, nudging some things here and there to give us that feeling of swing, right? So I want to add it to my percussion here, but to nothing else, okay? So here's how I'm going to do it. And this is going to be different depending on what at all. There's a little bit more high stuff happening later on in the song like that, but the main groove is rock solid and did not change. So